In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert equations in Google Slides. Whether you're working on a school project, a work presentation, or anything in between, knowing how to seamlessly include mathematical equations is an invaluable skill. Let's dive right in and make this process as simple as possible. First things first, you'll want to open up Google Slides and access the specific presentation where you'd like to add an equation. If you don't have one open already, navigate to your Google Drive and select the presentation of your choice. Once you have it open, decide which slide you want to work with. Find the suitable spot on that slide where the equation should go and create a text box by clicking the text box icon in the toolbar or by simply pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus X on your keyboard. This ensures that you have the right place prepared for your equation. Next, with your new text box ready, head to the top menu. You'll want to click on Insert, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Special Characters. This is where the magic starts. A dialog box will pop up, displaying a variety of different symbols you can use, but for mathematical equations, there's a specific area we need to focus on. In the Symbols drop-down menu, make sure to select Math. This will filter the available symbols, showing only those that are relevant for mathematical expressions. Now you will see an array of mathematical symbols. Browse through these symbols until you find the ones you need for your equation. Once you've located the right symbol, just click on it, and it will appear in your text box. This method is particularly useful for symbols that aren't readily available on a standard keyboard. After you've inserted all the necessary symbols, switch to your keyboard to type out any numbers or standard characters that make up your equation. Remember, you can always return to the Special Characters menu if you need to add more mathematical symbols or if you've missed something. It's a good idea to keep the dialog box open until you finish so that you can seamlessly switch between typing and selecting symbols. As you continue, ensure that everything is aligned and organized as it should be, reflecting the correct format for your equation. Take your time to double-check each entry for accuracy, as mathematical expressions often need precision. And there you have it, a complete equation embedded right into your slide, ready to enhance your presentation. Be sure to practice these steps to gain confidence and efficiency. By mastering this, you're well on your way to crafting more comprehensive and engaging presentations. Thanks for tuning in and stay curious.